guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to reset Samsung J2 Prime. Okay, let's start. First thing you have to do if you want to reset Samsung J2 Prime, first of all, make sure you remove all the Gmail account on the phone before you proceed. Okay, after doing that, can then go to your settings. So that's your settings. Okay. Go to about phone, then looking for something next, then press reset, then click on factory, then factory data reset. So then accept, delete all. So wait for it to load. It's going to reboot. So waiting it put up. After putting up, then you can continue. So you can see it's resetting. It's erasing everything on the phone. Okay, it's on now. So let's set up. Simply press down. Just press next. Skip this. Next. Agree. Okay, next. Just set any pattern there. Confirmed. Next. So do the procedure. If you don't have any Samsung account, please don't log in on the site. Just skip it. So skip.